Good morning, students. Today we'll do about the physical properties of carboxylic acid. So in last class we have done about the methods of preparation of carboxylic acid. So now what about the physical properties of carboxylic acid? I'll tell you the carboxylic acid which contain up to 9 carbon. I mean methanoic, ethanoic, propanoic, butanoic, hexanoic, heptanoic, octanoic, like that, up to 9 carbon, they exist as colorless liquids and they have some smell also. But more than 9 carbon, carboxylic acid exists as solids and it exists like wax. So carboxylic acid up to 9 carbon atoms, they exist as colorless liquid with some smell, and the carboxylic acid which contain more than 9 carbon, they exist as wax like solids. Secondly, carboxylic acid, they have very high boiling point. Why they show high boiling point? This is one of the carboxylic acid, RCOOH. You can write it like this, R C double bond O OH. This is one carboxylic acid. Similarly, this is another carboxylic acid, R C double bond O OH. I have drawn two carboxylic acid, RCOH. Due to electronegativity difference between carbon and oxygen, or oxygen is partially negative, carbon become partially positive. Here also, due to electronegativity difference between oxygen and hydrogen, oxygen becomes delta minus, hydrogen become delta plus. Here oxygen delta minus, here hydrogen delta plus. So when two molecules come closer to each other, then the oxygen of one carboxylic acid can form hydrogen bonding with the hydrogen of another carboxylic acid. Similarly, this oxygen of this carboxylic acid can form hydrogen bonding with the hydrogen of this carboxylic acid. And like this way, two carboxylic acid can combine to form a dimer. So carboxylic acid always can form dimer. Do you know what is dimer? Dimer means when two molecules get combined to form a single one, then it is called dimer. And due to formation of dimer, carboxylic acids have very high boiling point. It has higher boiling point than aldehyde, ketone, than alcohol of comparable molecular masses. So if someone asks you why carboxylic acids have higher boiling point, because carboxylic acids can form dimer, and due to formation of dimer, due to this intermolecular hydrogen bonding, they have high boiling point. Again, number 3 point, carboxylic acids normally they are soluble in water. Why they are soluble in water? Because carboxylic acid can form hydrogen bonding with water. Suppose this is your carboxylic acid RCOH and this is your water molecule H2O. Since water is a polar solvent, oxygen delta minus, hydrogen delta plus, so they can form hydrogen bonding like this. Similarly, this delta plus can combine with this oxygen to form hydrogen bonding. So since they can form hydrogen bonding with water, that's why they are soluble in water, and that's why methanoic acid, ethanoic acid, propanoic acid, they are always soluble in water due to formation of intermolecular hydrogen bonding between carboxylic acid and water molecule. Now, another thing you should know, if the carboxylic acid size is large, I mean if the R group is very large, then they are unable to form the hydrogen bonding with water molecule, and that is why the higher carboxylic acids, they are insoluble in water because they cannot form hydrogen bonding with water. So The lower carboxylic acid means methanoic, ethanoic, propanoic, that type of carboxylic acid. Lower carboxylic acid can form intermolecular hydrogen bonding with water, and that's why they become soluble in water. But higher carboxylic acid, they are unable to form the hydrogen bonding with water due to large size of alkyl group, and that is why they are insoluble in water. Do you know ethanoic acid, acetic acid? Where acetic acids are used? Acetic acid used in vinegar, na? It is used as vinegar. So now we will move to chemical properties. Chemical properties of your carboxylic acid. I mean the chemical reactions. What type of reactions shown by your carboxylic acids? So normally, before doing the reaction, carboxylic acids are acidic. Why they are acid? Because carboxylic acid, this is carboxylic acid, when it reacts with water, then it can release H plus ion and it produces hydronium ion with water. This is your hydronium ion, and this is called carboxylate ion, RCOO minus. I mean, after releasing hydrogen, it produces one anion, RCOO minus, which is called carboxylate ion. So this is your acid, and this is said to be the conjugate base. Now, since it can release the H plus ion, and that is why carboxylic acids are said to be acidic in nature. Similarly, alcohol, ROH, when it reacts with water, it is also acid. It can release hydrogen. It produces one ion, RO minus, and it produces hydronium ion like this. But the question is, carboxylic acids are more acidic than alcohol. Why? Although both can release H plus ion. You know, those acids which can release H plus ion more easily, they will be more acidic. So carboxylic acid can release the H plus ion more easily, and that's why carboxylic acids are more acidic than alcohol. But why it can release the hydrogen more easily? Actually, the conjugate base RCOO minus, minus means it contains 3 lone pair, and neutral means it contains 2 lone pair. This conjugate base carboxylate ion, it can show resonance like this. And due to resonance structure, the carboxylate ion is said to be stable one. I mean, its conjugate base is very stable. And due to stable nature of the carboxylate ion, carboxylic acid have more tendency to release the H plus ion. But in case of alcohol, the conjugate base alkoxide ion, this alkoxide ion cannot show any resonance structure, and that is why alkoxide ion is not stable, and that is why alcohol have no such tendency to release the H plus ion. So that is why those acids are said to be strong in which its conjugate base is stable one. In case of carboxylic acid, after releasing H plus ion, the carboxylate ion gets the stability due to resonance structure, and since the carboxylate ion is stable, and that is why carboxylic acid have more tendency to release the H plus ion. So if you compare with alcohol, in case of alcohol, the alkoxide ion after releasing of hydrogen, the alkoxide ion produced, it cannot show any kind of resonance structure. I mean, alkoxide ion is not so stable, and that is why alcohol have no such tendency to release the H plus ion. So that is why in exam you may get the question, why carboxylic acids are more acidic than alcohol. Then you have to explain like this way, and you have to show the resonance structure of carboxylate ion. So, so carboxylic acids are acid because it can release the H plus ion. Thank you.